This is the Genesis G80. Available on select G80 models, Ergo Motion Seat provides a host of support and comfort features for the driver. Comfortable Stretch allows on-demand massage functionality for the driver at the touch of a button. With these seat controls, you can set the intensity level and duration of the Comfortable Stretch massage function. To activate Comfortable Stretch, press this button and Comfortable Stretch will cycle through different modes and can be turned off. To adjust Ergo Motion Seat functions, press Setup, Vehicle, Seat, and then Ergo Motion Seat. Under Comfortable Stretch, you can independently set the intensity and duration of the function when activated. By pressing this checkbox, you can turn on or off Smart Posture Assist. After driving for approximately 1 hour, Smart Posture Assist automatically adjusts the cushion and back portion of the front seats for comfort relief. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.